Well, let's turn to business now. Nona is seated beside me in the studio. New data, Nona, shows 23 consecutive months of record rises and overseas visitor numbers came to a halt in July, which means the overseas visitors who didn't come were really prescient because the weather was crap.
Yeah, apparently they must have known.
They must have known in advance.
I guess. But never mind. Those are the people who arrive permanently, on visas. The ones who come for a holiday, that didn't change.
Oh,
in fact,
right.
No, those numbers continued to flourish. In fact, that was the highest level ever in July. So that was the highest ever for a July. Anyways, we hit a record 3.34 million for the year. That's up 11% on the year earlier.
So this is like climate change. The records just keep going up and up and up every month, don't they?
Apparently people don't realize we have winter here. Or they like winter. Yeah, they like it. Well, whatever. I did read, though, that there is concern that if we continue with this momentum, when we get to those peak seasons, when summer arrives, we're going to have a hard time finding accommodation for all our guests.
Yes, we've been talking about that earlier. So, in fact, there's going to be a campaign to try and get more people to come in the shoulder and low seasons and try and take the pressure off peak.
Perhaps this is an indication that's working, that strategy. Yeah. So anyways, it doesn't matter, though, even though the numbers dipped a little bit. In fact, economists say that immigration remains robust, so we're not really moving the other direction. It's simply that Australia is starting to look a little bit more attractive to people when they're choosing where they might want to go. And so that's part of it, that Australia is now back on the flavour of the month.
Yeah.
Could be.
Yeah. Okay, what are the markets? How did the markets end the week, Nona?
Right, well, let's not forget. You'll be so happy to hear this, John. The NZX 50 hit another record high today. Yes, indeed. Up more than 0.25% to a new record high. Yep, 7,405. That's up 20 points. And the New Zealand dollar, it held steady even though that U.S. dollar is back on the rise again. Yeah, it slipped only a little bit against the U.S. dollar as the Fed start to talk up to, interest rate hikes once more to 72.6 U.S. cents, 95 Australian and 55.3 British pence.
Thanks, Nona. Have a wonderful weekend.
And you.